The BINDRZ 4-pocket graded card binder claims to hold up to 32 graded slabs from PSA, CGC, BGS, SGC, TAG, AGS, and similar sizes. I tested it with mostly CGC slabs, which fit without major issues, but the experience had a few surprises. Before we get into it, I got this product for free through the Amazon Vine program in exchange for an honest review. This is not a paid or sponsored video, and everything I say is based on my own experience. Right out of the box, the binder is already quite large, even empty. Once filled, it becomes even bulkier, weighing about 6.5 pounds. It looks good for a shelf display, but its size and weight make it less ideal for travel. The pages feel thin and plasticky, similar to ones that might stick if exposed to humidity. The binder doesn't fully open on its own. You'll need to hold both sides down for better access. Slab insertion is simple at first, but I almost dropped a card by accidentally sliding it into the security flap instead of the pocket. Be careful during insertion. As more slabs are added, it becomes harder to insert new ones due to page bulging and stacking resistance. You'll need to lift the pages slightly to guide each card in. There is a small push hole at the bottom of each pocket to help slide slabs out. As you fill it, the pages begin to cascade unevenly, especially toward the back. The last page even lifts itself without any help. It's not a deal breaker, but it does make the binder look a little sloppy when full. Once full, the binder presents well for home storage or casual display, but when it comes to conventions or card shows, I'd still prefer a graded card storage box for a few key reasons. Better protection with hard shell and internal padding, greater capacity for holding more than 32 slabs, carrying handle for easier support, less chance of pages bending or warping over time. That said, I do like having this binder as an alternative for storing and flipping through my collection. It's visually satisfying, space efficient for bookshelves, and has decent functionality. Just be aware of its limitations in terms of portability, durability, and page alignment once full. Thanks for watching. Before we end the video, check out these other videos. Be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to see more videos like this one. And I'll see you all in the next one.